Today, digital technology is the leading force of our era. Technology is constantly evolving. At this moment, somewhere in the world, new technologies are being invented. By connecting them with one another, HIRAKAWA HEWTECH supports the evolution and development of these new technologies. Our products, with our technologies and know-how, are used around the world. For communities based on IoT, social good, and sustainability. This video will take a closer look at HIRAKAWA HEWTECH's mission of helping provide a foundation for these communities. HIRAKAWA HEWTECH was established in 1948. Since then, we have been developing and producing cables for general and industrial use. We applied the techniques we developed in making those cables in other areas. And today, HIRAKAWA HEWTECH's products are used across a broad range of different fields. Starting in the 1990s, the Internet suddenly became a worldwide phenomenon. HIRAKAWA HEWTECH met the rapid global expansion of telecommunications with accelerated product development. In Japan, HIRAKAWA HEWTECH's products are manufactured at 6 company-owned factories in Ibaraki, Fukushima, Miyagi, and Niigata. Globally, we have 9 other purpose-built factories in Asia and North America. The strength of HIRAKAWA HEWTECH's products lies in their high quality, high precision, and wide bandwidth. In Japan and abroad, our factories produce networking cables, interface cables, internal harnesses, and more.
ケーブルおよびアッセンブリー品におきましては、カスタマイズされた製品が非常に多くあります。より柔らかく、より強くといったお客様の声、またユーザビリティ、要求特性、こういったものをですね、取り込みながら製品実現を図っております。
We inspect every step of the process, ensuring quality by carefully measuring transmissions with state-of-the-art equipment.
コントロールプラン、これをベースに各工程で決められた規格値、これがどういう変異をしているかと管理をしております。で、その中で、異常点、その辺がないことを確認しながら完成品まで上げて、特性を取っておりますので、この辺で信頼性の高い製品ができていると自負しております。
Another of HIRAKAWA HEWTECH's strengths is our implementation of diverse testing equipment. Yet another is our ability to create high value-added products. We can furnish connectors suitable for each use case with custom easy-to-use shapes and install the wiring in the actual equipment.
私たち営業のポリシーとしましては、お客様の声に耳を傾けること。どこにも物がないものを求めているお客様が結構いらっしゃるので、ではじゃあどうやったらそのものが作れるのかっていうところで技術と協議を行いまして、必要な材料、条件を選定しております。で、さらにお客様と打ち合わせを重ねることで、いくつも施策を提案させていただいております。スペックもそうですけれども、対応力っていうところでもトータルとして頼んでよかったって思えるところが我々の付加価値だと思っています。
The rise of global video streaming site YouTube has ushered in a new age of video. As online meetings and digital distribution have become commonplace, the need for fast, high-bandwidth communications is ever growing. HIRAKAWA HEWTECH's unrelenting pursuit of fast, high-bandwidth transmissions gave rise to a particular result in 2020. a new HIRAKAWA R&D center in Taiwan. Equipped with cutting-edge facilities, this center is hard at work on brand new technologies and products. An interface cable designed for data centers, the QSFP DD400G, boasts the world's best data transfer rate.
Our focuses are not only on achieving the highest speed in the world, but also putting our focuses on the trend of the industries and the newest technology development, so that we can develop products that most fit to the market and create the value.
HIRAKAWA HEWTECH also develops and produces its own electronics, including hubs and other networking equipment.
デバイスの開発は1985年ですね、いち早く製造して、世の中に送り出しております。自社での開発、それから自社での製造を一貫した体制でやっておりますので、技術力、それから、製品の品質ですね、この部分については他社に負けない、自負をしております。
The 1998 Winter Olympics in Nagano. Extending HD TV signals several kilometers, the use of HIRAKAWA HEWTECH optical transmission equipment tells the world that it is reliable. We're now also developing and producing cables for next-generation 8K and 12K broadcasting. These cables are suitable for high-capacity, high-definition broadcasts. They're also used in the optical repeater equipment used in live remote broadcast vans. The high definition and low latency make them popular among broadcasting companies. Having always focused on quality, the true value of HIRAKAWA HEWTECH's manufacturing is also seen in the medical field, with its special requirements for reliability. Medical cables for diagnostic endoscopes, ultrasound equipment, and more. At HIRAKAWA HEWTECH, we can make ultra-thin optical cable cores that are thinner than a human hair. We're also working on more human body-friendly products for medical tubing.
ME 事業部は、今後より深く医療の分野に踏み込んでいくつもりです。実際に医療の現場に赴いてドクターと会って、やり取りし、そのニーズを汲み取り、自分たちの技術で一からものを作ることによって医療の現場に革新的な製品を、もたらすことを目指しております。
The automobile industry is in the midst of a revolutionary change. The shift to electric vehicles is also hastening the adoption of advanced driver assistance systems. As 5G signals for road-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-vehicle communications are becoming commonplace, even more reliable parts and cables are required.
そうですね、今のもう車っていうのはですね、もうすでに走る電子機器って言ってもいいのかなと考えています。車をですね、安全に走行させるためには、外部のいろんなさまざまなですね、情報をリアルタイムに、処理する必要があります。そのためには、大容量なデータを、高速に転送できる、ケーブルが必要とされています。我々はですね、その市場の広がりをですね、取り込んでいってですね、自社の成長にしてまいりたいと考えております。
Moreover, HIRAKAWA HEWTECH created Japan's first standard charger design for electric vehicles. With a style designed and produced completely in-house, we're also expanding into electric charger development.
私たちは開発力、製造力、提案力の3つの力でお客様の信頼をつかんでいきたいと考えております。
We have sent 20 samples to class for steady cable and high-flex cable.
HIRAKAWA HEWTECH's business is now expanding globally. In Asia, we have factories with on-site Japanese staff in China, Thailand, and the Philippines. In North America, we have 2 factories in Mexico. And our sales office in San Diego, California, ships our products worldwide.
We've been supporting the U.S. market for going on 10 years. We've done over 10 gigawatts worth of solar harness installation throughout the United States market. So we've been a premier supplier. We've supplied several of the top 10 EPC companies within the industry. So that is our current position for solar harnesses that we support in the United States.
For more than 70 years, HIRAKAWA HEWTECH has contributed to the development of key industries through the manufacture of cables and devices. Sharing the same basic philosophy, which we revised in 2022, we are now looking ahead to the next stage.
私たち平川ヒューテックは70年以上にわたってケーブル、デバイス、医療部品などさまざまな製品を開発・製造してきました。それら全てに共通して言えるのは、あるものとあるものをつなげ伝える製品であるということです。過酷な環境下でも膨大な情報量を伝える、美しい映像を伝える、お医者様の確かな技術を治療する部分まで確実に伝える、そういう製品作りを目指していきたいと思っています。今後はそれぞれの専門性をさらに高めつつ、いろいろなものをつなげていき、作ることに楽しさを覚え、使って喜ばれる製品、そして新たな価値を生み出し、社会に貢献していきたい、そう考えています。
HIRAKAWA HEWTECH continues to stand by our customers, connecting the many devices people use to create a future full of dreams.